And so whenever you think maybe there's an underserved part of your list, you send an email out to M and you find out. And so I wrote this 5,000 word, 6,000 word post and I sent it out, and it basically had a little bit more in it than this post, but it basically said, hey, if you like what I'm talking about here and you think that you'd like more from me, then hit me back and let me know what you might want. And they told me, and through some discussion I realized, what am I doing here, folks? I'm simply identifying with you. You're gonna do that with your client. When you open your sales letter, you are gonna bridge the gap between you and them by just talking to them personally. But you're gonna write it, you're talking to them personally, but you're writing it on the page. Do you see that? Let's keep going. You can see how easy it is to build your web business from scratch because you've seen me do it live. You thought about your purpose, your mission.